I'm in the process of adding insulation to my bonus room. I've put in all of the lower baffles so that we can get a good airflow from the bottom to the top of the space. So I'm using R13 insulation, which is 3.5 inches thick. So there'll be space underneath the insulation for that air to flow all the way through. This is the baffle. I'm going to staple it into the rafters between the 2x6s. And stretch them. I don't know what this is for. Staple gun. And I'm stapling every 3 inches or so. Okay. 2 more to go. These are so big, they wouldn't fit in my car. I have to deliver it. This is R13 base. I actually need to move more stuff out of the way before this is released. And you can see it expanding as I open it. And now I'm going to install the first piece of insulation. This is my first time doing this, so it looks easy on the video. Have all of my protective gear on. We'll see how easy this is. The hardest thing is probably getting down low. Get this in there. This is 23 inches wide, so it should fit the cavities perfectly. Okay, and this is how it's going. Almost finished. Got a few more rows to go. Loving this pink next gen fiberglass R13. It makes it easier to install by stapling the paper to the 2x6s. And this is how it turned out. I'm not done yet. I have one small part left to do. But overall, I am satisfied with insulating my bonus room. Worked at it all day. Had to go and get a new stapler that worked. But this is it, and I'm satisfied.